Good morning IB students, welcome back to the another video lecture, and this lecture is completely related with the data series object of Python pandas. You know about the series, you know about the data frame. In the previous video lecture we discussed already data series means a homogeneous sequence of data. Homogeneous means the data type of the data is same, is equal. So we can say homogeneous sequence of data with a specific index value. It is known as data series. If you want to see the series once again, just see here. I am going to write some values 100, 200, 300. Three values are there in a series with the index value. Index value is 0, 1, 2. 3, 4, 5, 6, these are the default index value provided by the Python interpreter, and these are the values that are provided by the programmer. So it is a sequence, or it is, we can say it is a data series. Now in the previous video lecture we discussed about how to create a data series in Python. For that, just take a recap, just take a revision. If you want to create the same data series in your Python, the code will be, the first one, it is import pandas as pd. This is the very first line. By this line we can include panda library with our Python program. So import pandas as pd. Now here I am going to create a series. I am going to give a name. It is pq. Pq is the name of my series. PQ equal to PD dot SERIES. Remember, series, S is capital. PD dot series. Then here I am going to write 100. Then this one 200. Then this 300. Close. And then at the last I am going to print the series such as print PQ. It is the simplest code to produce the same series on Python. Just 3 line, 4 line, 5 line, maximum 10 lines program are there related with data series. So by this program we can develop, we can produce the particular series on Python. Right? Now we will discuss some more issues, some more points that are related with this series in this video lecture. So just see, by giving this command, Python generates a series with the default index value 0, 1, 2. It is a default index value. Now the question is, if you want to change the default index value, you want to put the index value according to your style very first. Is it possible or not? Yes, it is possible to change the default index value by giving a specific code, by giving a specific command. Right? Now how we can do this? For that, just see, if instead of writing this line, I am going to change this line as this one, PQ equal to PD dot series. Here I am going to write the data part as it is 100, 200, 300. The data part is as it is. Now if I want to change the index position, the index value, I am going to put one comma after that. Here it is the data part, then comma, then I am going to write one command, that is index. It is in small letter, index, I-N-D-E-X, index. Then equal to sign, and here I am going to write this thing. I am going to write this one A, comma B, here it is C, and then close this one A, B, C, then close the bracket. Here just see, small bracket start, small bracket close. Now inside the small bracket of this series function, I separate two different things. Now this part, before the comma, this one, it is before the comma, one comma is there. After that, in this portion, it is known as data part. It is data. Data means this one that we are going to appear on the sequence, on the series. And here, index equal to this part, it is known as index part, right? Just see index value. These are the index values, right? So, if I convert this statement into this, now what will happen? Here, just see index equal to, again, square bracket, big bracket means it is in the form of list. List में use करते हैं capital bracket, big bracket list में use होता है, right? So here, data is also there in the list formation. Index is also there in the list formation. जितने data हैं आपके 1, 2, 3, 3 different data elements are there. उतने ही index value आपको रखनी पड़ेगी. 1, 2, 3, 3 index values are there, right? ये दोनों का sequence same होना चाहिए. 3, 3. Now what will happen if you execute this command instead of this? ये command मैं काट देता हूँ और मैं इस command को इससे replace कर देता हूँ. Now what will happen on the output of this program? What is there on the monitor? When you write this line, the same series, ये जो series पहले ऐसे appear हो रही थी, now the series looks like this: A 100, B 200, C 300. Now the series is like this one. It is the new series और नीचे लिखा आता है D type. Data type equal to int 64. ये और लिखा हुआ आएगा नीचे क्योंकि ये जो values है, these values are there in the integer formation. So just see this one. By giving this command, we change the default index value of 0, 1, 2, 3 with A, B, C. Clear out? So it is the command, the first command of data series to give your index values to the specific series. I hope the thing is clear in front of your mind, right? Now the exact formation. Now suppose the second topic we are going to take, that one, how to create data series with list, right? You can create data series with any sequence. Sequence क्या होता है? आप data series को string से भी बना सकते हो. String is a sequence. Sequence means group of values or values one after another. It is known as sequence. So you can create the data series by using string. You can create the series by using list also, by using tuple also, by using range function also. Yeah, by using range function also we can create the data series, and then by using array also we can create the series by this one, and the last one by using dictionary. These different points are there. We can create data series by using any one of this. Clear? Now what will happen if we want to create series by using list? Right? Just see one example. I am going to give an example over here. एक list है, उस list से मुझे series बनानी है, right? Just see. Very first I am going to use this one, import pandas as pd. अभी तक ये तो मालूम ही चल गया होगा. This line is constant. You have to use the same line in each and every program that are related with data frame, data series. This line is of half mark. कोई भी क्वेश्चन आ जाए, आंसर आए नहीं, केवल एक लाइन उठा के लिख के आ जाओगे, आधा नंबर मिल जाए. राइट? नाउ my list variable is L1. एक मैं वेरिएबल बना रहा हूँ. L1 means list 1, and in this variable I am going to give some values, or I am going to give a name, Ramesh, Rohan, Suresh. It is my list 1. List 1 square bracket. Different values are there separated by comma. This is list 1, and here I am going to put list 2. इसमें मैं क्या करता हूँ, इन लोगों के, इन बच्चों के परसेंटेज डाल देता हूँ. रमेश की परसेंटेज 82.5, रोहन परसेंटेज ऑफ रोहन 47.9, परसेंटेज ऑफ सुरेश 87.6. right? Two different lists are there. List 1 contains name, Ramesh, Rohan, Suresh. List 2, it contains percentage of these students. Now my topic is, I have to create a data series by using these two lists. So for that, I just create one series variable, series 1 equal to, पहला series 1 में बनाता हूँ, series 1 equal to pd Python pd dot series बनाने के लिए केवल एक ही कमांड है, इससे आ रही है series as is in capital case pd dot series. Now with this just see what is my command. Just see, यहां पे मैं लिखता हूं data equal to L2, right? Data equal to L2. L2 is this list, and then comma index equal to L1, and I am going to close this command. There are two different parts in the series function. The first part is data, the second part is index. Here data is L2, L2 means this one, this is the data, and index is L1, L1 means this one, this is the index, right? Clear all? Now what will happen if I use this command here, print ser1, भाई इस एक ही कमांड से कंप्यूटर ने सीरीज तो बना दी. Now the series is there inside your computer's memory. Now you have to print the series. For that you just use print ser1. अभी ये जो सीरीज हम बना रहे हैं, we are going to create the series by using list object. L1 and L2 both are the list object, right? Now what is there in the series? क्या प्रिंट आउट होगा, क्या आउटपुट आएगा? Data equal to L2. सबसे पहले आपको डेटा पार्ट लिखना है 82.5, फर्स्ट डेटा पार्ट L2 ये रहा. सेकंड 47.9, it is the second data part. 47.9, then 87.6, it is the third data part. 87.6, these are the data. And the index means 0, 1, 2. अगर मैं ये लाइन रिमूव कर दूं यहाँ से, data equal to L2 करके ब्रैकेट क्लोज कर दूं, at that time computer is going to put the default index value, that is 0, 1 and 2. These are the default index value. But instead of using default value, मैंने अभी क्या किया, index equal to L1. L1 को index बना दिया. L1 is a list. It is X list L1 acts like the index value. So 82.5 first index, इसके आगे अपीयर हो जाएगा रमेश. 47.9 यहाँ पे अपीयर हो जाएगा रोहन. 87.6 यहाँ पे अपीयर हो जाएगा सुरेश. This is the series output of this program. This is the output. Just check the output here, right? Just check this one, program and the output of this program. Clear? Ramesh, Rohan, Suresh acts like an index values. 82.5, these values acts like the data part. Here, this is the index, this is the data. One dimensional series is a one dimensional value. One dimensional means in the series means one column only. So here it is the data part, one column only. Right? Clear? Now यहाँ पे जो मैंने print command किया, the print ser1, I am going to produce, I am going to print the whole series. Instead of that, आप अपने हिसाब से भी सीरीज प्रिंट कर सकते हो. Slicings are acceptable in this ser1. Suppose I am going to write this one, this command print str1, ser, not str. The series variable is ser1, and I am using this bracket, and then I am going to give 2 over here. Just remember slicing with the print command. Slicing, first option is vacant, blank. 2 is the last value. कंप्यूटर इस वैल्यू को इंक्लूड नहीं करता, इससे जस्ट पहले आके रुकता है. मतलब दो चीजें आपके सामने प्रिंट होगी, 0 and 1. 0 and 1 means the output of this print command is 0. 0 position contain कर रहा है रमेश. So here Ramesh 82.5, first position Rohan, RHN Rohan, and here 47.9. This will be the output of this string slicing, series slicing, right? I hope the topic is clear in your mind. So this program is related with creation of the series by using list, right? One more thing, you can change the value of any data item in the series. Values of the series are mutable. Mutable means you can change these values by giving a specific command. Clear? Sequencing index value, you can put the index value generally as a unique values, right? So here, this is the program related with list. I hope the topic is clear in front of your mind. Thank you.